Hey, this is Bethany, and today I am beyond excited to just have a sort of little bitty quick announcement video for you all, because I'm going to announce multiple things, go through them pretty quickly just to prep for you, to prep you for things coming on my channel. Hopefully I won't have to do much editing to this video, because I intend on just running straight through like a linebacker, just clearing all these objectives on the list and letting you know what's going on. So let's jump into those really quickly. So the first thing I want to announce to you all is that I'm going to be having a much more consistent uploading schedule here on my channel, which if you followed me for years or since I began, you would know that I've never had a very consistent upload schedule because I've always worked full-time or more so than full-time, and not had very much time to commit to my passions. And now in my life, I am going to have that time, and I don't know how long I will have that time for. I know at least a matter of months, and hopefully maybe I can roll my YouTube into something more successful in that time. So I guess what I'm saying is I'm committing to my YouTube. I'm going to try to put out content that I really enjoy, and once I get that rolling and and am able to express my passions, I will also take in your all's requests and make things that you all want. Please keep in mind though that I can only make things that I can kind of like afford to make. If you ask for like an extravagant look, I may not be able to go out and buy like the wigs and paints and supplies for that if I don't already have that. I will not just be making like creative videos. I plan on making probably about 2 uber creative videos a month. The rest of what I want to mainly be doing is like reviewing products, doing chatty get ready with me's, talking about product launches, things like that. Because despite it being one of my passions to really like put a product to a test and talk about it and give people like heads up on things, what works great about it, what I don't like, I haven't been able to do it that much because I spent a lot of time with my other job kind of concerned and focused about other things. So yeah, that is the first thing I want to announce. I am now more free to do YouTube. This is something, if you followed me on Snapchat and some other things, you would know because I've talked about it. I've talked about it a lot on my Twitter. So I am now more free to have an upload schedule, which I'm very excited about. So that's the first thing. The second part of that first thing is because now I'm trying to commit to my YouTube and I want to eventually be able to make it a full-time type of thing. I want to be very forward with you all and let you know that I do always leave like affiliate links down below. I've only done like one sponsorship where I'm actually paid on this channel, but I will be more open to sponsorships. I will of course only be collaborating with brands that have products that I believe in and I'm excited about, because I'm just pretty picky about that stuff. But either way, I just want to let you all know, if you want to support my channel with no skin off your back, I will have those affiliate links down below. And what these affiliate links allow me to do is talk about basically anything I do or don't like, link it below using this thing called magic links, and then anything is like referable. So I might make like $1 or 25 cents off of something you buy. And what's great about the whole program is it keeps influencers from being necessarily loyal to any product unless they're like collaborating with that brand. Basically, I could link this below, I could link that camera below, I could link my Coca-Cola below. Like anything you could order offline, I could link below as a referral thing. So it causes influencers to be like, well, I like what I like and I'll just link whatever, which is cool. Mind you, I really don't even know what I get referral-wise from these things until a purchase is made. Sometimes it's like 2 cents and sometimes it's like $2. But either way, if you want to help support my channel, please make purchases from the links below if that's cool with you. You know what I'm saying? Not forcing you or anything. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, this first main announcement was the biggest deal to me. It means the most that I am actually having free time to work on things in my life. I got so much stuff done in the last week or so because I've been free of these other things, and I've already worked on some videos that I'm excited to put up for you all after this one. So I hope that you all will look forward to more videos from me, and as always, if you do want to support them, please leave a comment or a like below. That helps push my video up in the algorithm where YouTube is more likely to share it. I know y'all are tired of hearing it, just giving people a heads up if they are new here. And then the next part of my announcements I want to get to is that if you all have followed me on any of my other social media, you will have noticed that I was part of the Allure Incubator series. It's like a web series where I competed with 4 other cool ass people for the chance to become a cover girl. So I will link that below for any of you that have not seen it. I've been reminding people constantly on my Instagram about it, but it was a pretty interesting show to film. They flew us out to like Hollywood, LA, and we were there for a whole week filming the show, competing for a chance to become cover girl. So if you all are interested in watching that, I want to give you a heads up that it was a challenge. Like, they only give us 30 minutes to do a full look, narrate the video, all that crap. So just prepare to know that we had no time to do the things we had to do, and all of us are capable of so much more than you saw on that show. But I will leave the link below if you am prepared to be entertained. And then the final thing that I want to announce to you all is that I will be in LA the week of March 20th, so this month, and I will be going to Generation Beauty out in LA because I'm like part of Ipsy Studios and I'm able to have access to that and what have you. So I haven't been to Generation Beauty since 2015, and when I went there, I went with my friend Rebecca Shores. And I'm pretty excited that I will be going just because it's been so long. I'm excited to see how things have changed. I'm excited to meet with brands. There's a couple brands there that I have my eye on that I'm very excited to like hand my business card to because I want to build those relationships. I want to be part of this industry. This is my passion. But yeah, I'm going to be at Generation Beauty in LA this March. If you're going to be there, comment down below and let me know, because hopefully I'll like see you around and we'll be able to say hi or something. So, but yeah, that's all that I needed to announce in this video before I get on to my slow seeping flood of videos that I've started preparing for you all. And then I just want to tell you all that this really means so much to me. I already filmed this video before and my mic was off, and I was actually pretty weepy, so I'm almost glad that didn't work because I was so, it was like happy tears. I wasn't crying like but I was like weepy because there is something that hits me emotionally at the core, because I've spent so many years in customer service almost feeling completely utterly trapped as a person. And to have this chance to finally, at least for a matter of months, even if it doesn't work, but to have this chance to sit down and create and connect with you all, it feels so much more important and powerful in my life than a lot of other things I've done. It just means a whole lot to me, and I don't even know where to go with talking about that, but I just know I'm very excited to focus on my artistry, to connect with you all, to give you all good recommendations and give you tutorials that will both, you know, make you feel enhanced and more comfortable, or ones that will make you feel excited and creative, or just help you escape. Either way, I'm very excited to be creating those things for you all, and I just can't wait to get started. So again, I thank you all so much for watching my videos. If you have never subscribed before, please hit the subscribe button down below, or hit the little bell button if you're already subscribed, just so you'll get like notifications from me and you'll know when my videos go up. I am planning on having at least 2 videos a week. If I can knock it out, I want to get to 3 videos a week. So we'll see what we can do, what kind of schedule I situate. And if you guys know of like a good schedule, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, you know, whatever, maybe comment that down below too, or any video recommendations you have that don't require me to go out and buy things, or maybe only just one product, like that works too. So either way, I'm just so excited to get started, and I thank you all so much for being there and being so patient with me, because I'm a mess, and I'm just happy that so many of you accept it, and I'm just very thankful for you all. So again, I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.